and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I am sharing a super simple dessert recipe. It has 4 ingredients and it tastes awesome. It's chocolate chip cookie bars. I discovered this recipe on one of my favorite YouTube channels called The Minimal Mom, and Dawn typically focuses on decluttering your home, simplifying your life, but occasionally she'll sprinkle in a very easy recipe that's kind of a go-to for her and her family. So this is chocolate chip cookie bars. It's kind of a semi-homemade recipe. You start with a yellow cake mix, and then all you add is butter, eggs, and chocolate chips, bake it together, and it tastes incredible. After I made these, my family gobbled them up, and I've already restocked my pantry with the ingredients just to have them on hand for the future because they were so easy and everybody loved them. So let me show you how I make them. I started with 1 stick of unsalted butter in a large bowl, then I melted that in the microwave and allowed it to cool slightly. Next, I added in 2 eggs and I cracked them into a separate bowl just in case I got any shells. I didn't want them to get into the butter, and then I whisked these into my cooled butter. Next, I added 1 box of yellow cake mix and I whisked it all together until everything was thoroughly combined. Now, I do want to note that I was a little bit hesitant to make this recipe because I thought it was just going to taste like a yellow cake with chocolate chips in it. But when you only add the butter and eggs, it has a completely different texture and it really does taste like a chocolate chip cookie. The final ingredient is the chocolate chips, and for this recipe you use an entire bag of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. I switched from a whisk to a rubber spatula and mixed all of the chocolate chips into the batter. I greased my 9x13-inch glass baking pan and then spread the batter evenly inside. And these bake at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. You want them to be golden brown on top and just cooked through. It was difficult, but I allowed these to cool slightly after I removed them from the oven, and then we dug in. When they're warm, they're a little bit harder to cut, but they taste incredible because it's just like a gooey chocolate chip cookie, but it's so much easier to put together. It's fewer ingredients and it's all in one pan. Definitely try this one out.
They look like brownies, but they actually taste like chocolate chip pancakes.
Did you like them?
Yes.
How many did you have?
2.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me over on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my chocolate chip cookie bars here today. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon.